Continuing with mail management in Gmail, we're now going to take a look at archiving. Archiving is the procedure of taking certain emails and storing them in a categorized location for retrieval at a later date. In this graphical example, there's 4 drawers representing 4 categories, and the content emails, for example, are stored in each correct category: drawer 1, drawer 2, drawer 3, drawer 4, for retrieval at a later date. So let's take a look at our labels now, and let's take a look at some of our archived locations we created earlier. If you recall, we created 2 brand new labels. One was called Holiday 2021 and the other one was called QQI. We created these labels in an earlier video under mail management. We created them to demonstrate how to archive specific emails to specific locations for retrieval at a later stage. So in this example, we have, by the ways, been booking a holiday since December, hoping to go away in June or July or August of 2021. So maybe we've had quotations for airline tickets, for apartments, hotel accommodations, railroad tickets, taxis, transfers, holiday insurance, and so on. So a lot of the content would have been deleted, but we would have stored in all emails. We would have stored all emails relating to the holiday which were of value. Example, the paid for flight, the paid for airport transfer, the paid for opera tickets. They would all be stored in a location for later retrieval. So the first thing we have to do is learn how to place the email required into the archive location. In this example, Holiday 2021. What we're going to do, just for reference to make it easy to remember, we're going to use the Google email and the Gmail team email. Those names are fairly easy to remember, and we'll store one in QQI and one in Holiday 2021. So now to begin, how do you archive email to a certain location for restoring at a later stage? Step number 1, there's no mail management tools. We must activate the mail management tools by clicking the checkbox of the email we wish to archive. So we'll check the checkbox of the Gmail team, which we're going to archive to Holiday 2021. So one click of the checkbox, you get the tick. You get the gradient color identifying this email is selected in comparison to all other emails. We must locate the Move To tool to tell Gmail to move the selected email to our chosen location. So one click on Move To. The Move To locations are clearly displayed, and we click on the location we wish to move the mail to. In this case, Holiday 2021. So one click on Holiday 2021. And you will see now the Gmail email has disappeared, and the other email will work with Google is still there because we didn't select it. Let's verify that the Gmail email did actually go to the Holiday 2021 label by using the scroll bar and selecting the label Holiday 2021. A point of note, you may notice Holiday 2021 is now emboldened. It's dark in comparison to QQI. This identifies that there is a new message inside in this particular label, and there is. We've just moved the Gmail message into the Holiday 2021 folder. So by clicking the Holiday 2021 folder, the contents are revealed to the right hand side, and you can clearly see the email from the Gmail team. So one more time for practice now. We're going to go back to our inbox. So we have to click, hold and drag the scroll bar up until we locate the inbox, and give one click on the inbox to reveal the contents of the inbox. We're now going to move the Google email to the QQI folder. We don't have to have the QQI folder in view, because the mail management tools up here call up the move to tool, which shows the location of where we can move to. Often a misconception, people go to the left instead of checking the checkbox and looking for the move to tool to move the email. So with that, moving the Google email to the QQI label. Take your mouse pointer, check the checkbox, there's a tick mark, a blue gradient, the mail management tools appear, locate the move to tool, give one click on move to. The locations we can move to are highlighted here, and we simply choose where we wish to move the Google email message to. This example, we said QQI. So let's give one click on QQI. And now both messages are gone. They've been archived. One to Holiday 2021 and one to QQI. So let's take a look for the QQI folder now to verify the email message did get archived to where it was supposed to go, QQI. To do this, rest your mouse pointer on the scroll bar, click, hold and drag the scroll bar down until you can locate QQI or Holiday 2021. And we can see the QQI folder here. We'll give one click and the Google email message is clearly visible in the QQI label. A point of reference also in navigating through the different labels. To identify where you are located at the current time using Gmail when you're navigating through labels, we use this bar up here, the search bar. The search bar tells you which label you're in. So the label we're in is QQI. If we went to Holiday 2021, it tells you you're in Holiday 2021. If we scroll down, click on More, and go down to Trash or Bin, and give one click on Bin or Trash, it tells you you're in Trash. So a handy way of knowing where you are when you're navigating through your Gmail labels is looking in the search bar and identifying the label name within the search bar. The only label that doesn't have a name in it is the inbox. This is because the inbox is your primary location of all mail. So if we click on inbox now, what you will notice is inbox will not appear as a label here in the search bar, but the inbox will go red. So we'll click the inbox label now to identify where we are in Gmail. 1, 2, 3. And the fact that the inbox is red tells you that you're in your inbox, the primary located label of all labels, but nothing in the search bar. And that's the difference between the different labels.